Good afternoon. I'm going to attempt to put a new hook keeper on my rod. Yeah, this is a Johnny Morris Titanium 8. But I like the rod keeper, the hook keepers that you don't have to remove the bait off to put on there. So I'm going to attempt to do this. I'm not a professional. As you can see, I've got a homemade stand that I made to hold and be able to twist the rod. Okay, round two. This is the second hook keeper that I'm trying to put on that came from RodTeck. So the first thing I need to do is sand down the area where it's going to go. Make a little rough surface there. Okay, got that done. Okay, I've got the rod keeper in place. Nope, that's not in place. I don't. There we go. That's where I want it. And we're going to put a little bit of liquid plastic on here. I'm going to take the brush and cover it over. Oh, that's not doing too well there. Hopefully we got enough to hold it in place. Okay, so we're going to get a little bit more liquid plastic on here. And then we're going to cure that real quick. Something that I didn't do on the other one. Wipe it down with alcohol, rub. Okay. And we let that dry a little bit. Okay. So we're going to start off trying to roll a straight line. And we just gradually angle it. Cut that. And then we're going to put liquid plastic on there. Okay. And we'll put the UV light on it. And there is the finished product. All on there good and tight.